one of the first experience with tarantula in my clinic was, you see, there was a boy with a lot of coughing. I was treating him with, so many remedies, say Spongia and Drosera, and you cannot imagine all of these remedies that you know very well. And the cough simply wouldn't go away. And one day, the mother brought him, and I was taking the history, what happened. Again, we have to just go over the whole thing again because we have to find the remedy. And right in the middle of this, interview, this small boy, he was maybe 6, 7 years old, I think. He just pointed his finger at me. He said, "Hey, Sankaran," like this, suddenly, "Hey, Sankaran, are you going to make me okay or not?" My God. And the mother started apologizing profusely. Doctor, forgive him. I said, no, this is the best thing he could have done, because from this we got his 2 rubrics. One is abrupt, it was sudden. The whole thing was sudden. "Hey, Sankaran," like this. And the second thing was, threatening, "Are you going to do it or not?" So when you put this abrupt and threatening rubrics together, you find the main remedy is tarantula. And that's what helped him immediately with the cough. You see how we have to, observe, and you can find. So this suddenness, this threatening, this playing pranks, this mischievousness, this, teasing people, making jokes, this dancing. So you can see some of the qualities of tarantula already, and we'll understand this much more in detail.